I can now probably start facilitation confidently without any content, structured content, because I'm used to that. So I think facilitation, here I come.
And Shweta, and with the workshops I keep attending is always awesome. And things you make things very simple for us, for me. So thank you so much, both of you. You 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 are you were wonderful there. You are brilliant here, Ganesh. You make things really wonderful, and Shweta, you were wonderful there. You are wonderful over here. So if people are looking forward to learn virtual facilitation, I think we should give it a go over here because it's simple yet it's very impactful, and there are a lot of takeaways from your sessions always.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Oh, yes. My learning is to go with the flow because I'm more a structured person, more of a trainer kind of a person. But yes, how to facilitate, and now being the need, which is the virtual space, how to conduct session on a virtual mode. So that would be my learning. And feedback, that's always positive. Great zeal of energy of both Ganesh and very well moderated by
Painful experiences and a lot of learnings, and facilitation has taken a total different perspective from me. So thank you so much for that.
Yeah, absolutely. It was a pleasure to be on this platform and learning the virtual facilitation because I've attended in-room facilitation and still I could not get my lot of doubts cleared, but this cleared a lot of things for me, and I think I'm ready for it now, and I can incorporate in my trainings and whatever to on my sessions. Thank you so much.
It has been a wonderful experience. I think I had been requesting you to have a session during weekends. So thank you for organizing something on a weekend. I really enjoyed this. For someone who did not know the difference between training and facilitation, I think this was a great learning for me. How to make virtual facilitation fun, learnable, and exciting. I would love to do that, from my side as well. And thank you so much for the experience, and thanks Shweta for a seamless moderation. Enjoyed the last 2 days.
The past 2 days rather have been extremely informative. I do a lot of sessions, but interspersing it with these kind of tools, and that too because now virtual is the new normal. It has tremendously helped me, and I'm really excited to incorporate it in my sessions that are going to be coming forth. Having said that, Ganesh, you've always been amazing and you really take sessions beautifully. Looking forward to more sessions. It's always good to learn from a trainer who is younger in age also, and you learn a lot of perspective.
Totally. So it was a quite refreshing experience and an amazing session by you and with Shweta. I just loved the uncertainty of where and how we were going. We just did not know what is next, what is next, what is next. So that was the best part. That is why it was quite interesting. So I just loved that part.
So thank you so much, Ganesh and Shweta.
Thank you, Naini, for being
Thank you so much, Naini. Thank you so much.
It was so very well organized, and thank you so much. It actually cleared all my doubts, and I was really looking forward to it. So pretty excited to be a part of this session, and it was a wonderful experience. I'm going to use it, definitely.
Absolutely. And I think thank you, Sujata, for getting Naini along. So thanks a lot.
Thank you so much.